installation was done on 8 July 2017 at Bhaskar Hall, Dowli Ponda, and Mario Fernandez, past RC, was restoration officer, and the chief guest was MJ Flying Sandeep Bhandari, chairman of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries. SSC 12 Arts, Commerce, Science and Vocational streams students who stood first in Goa, Ponda, were honored at the hands of chief guest.
Like the military, paramilitary forces, border security forces are there, police forces are there, and likewise the press. They do not have the specific time. And for last few years, and I was closely associated with these people, I have seen from morning they have to go and attend to collect the news, and in the evening they have to sit on the computer and they have to send all those news to the head office or wherever it is to put that papers in line. But moreover, either they have been felicitated at the end of the year, at maybe around 60, 70. So this thing came to my mind, so I saw them working very hard. And I felt like they should be felicitated. And immediately I told this thing to our Silver Jubilee President, Sunil Kesar. And it was discussed in the meeting. And that proposal was immediately accepted by Lion Vivekanand Nadkarni along with our ZC. And same happened to be because we had our medical camp which was sponsored by Lion Abhay Prabhu. During that time, same thing I told to Mr. Abhay Prabhu. And Abhay Prabhu told me this is a very wonderful idea, and in fact I wanted to do this, but I was not getting the proper channel for this.
And salutation to the charter members who have started this club way back 25 years. As it is said, Ivalese Ropa, Lavi Dori, Dayatato Velu, Gaganapari, Vari. त्याप्रमाणे this sapling of Lions Club of Ponda City was planted 25 years back, and today we see it has grown up in a full-fledged tree with the beautiful fruits that we have examined or we have heard today through their work. This club is having excellent leadership. Each and every member of this club is working for the downtrodden people of the community, and today one more feather they have put in their crown by felicitating the journalist, the fourth pillar of our democracy and the mirror of our community. This acknowledgement definitely will help all of us, not only the Lions Club of Ponda City, but all the people of our state. Once again, I congratulate and wish all the best in the days to come.